breakthrough is right in front of you, under your nose. So many people make a mountain out of a molehill, and it's really unnecessary. People think that to be able to have a business, you need years and years and years of experience, you need loads of cash, you need all this and that and the other, which is nonsense. With a once-off investment, you can invest in a program that teaches you the business skills you need, because you see it's been carefully curated and it's simplified so that it's beginner-friendly. If you're ready to build a business for yourself, which you can do from anywhere in the world, not just from home, you're not limited to working from home or from your city or wherever. You can do it from anywhere in the world. What is holding you back? Is it that mountain that you've built in your head that isn't even true? Our Entrepreneurship program turns dreams into reality because it's got structure, it's proven, it's a step-by-step process, video education, and who doesn't need to upskill themselves? With the correct mentoring and learning the correct skills in an industry that is the fastest growing industry in the world. We've seen it since 2019. The digital economy has grown in leaps and bounds. Go and look at the figures. In 2019, this economy was making $915 million a year. Today, it's making over $1 billion a day. Don't you want to be part of that? That is where to start your business if you want a business. But you have to want it. And you have to understand that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You are going to put in the work. You're going to do the studies. You are going to attend the calls that are there for you to upskill yourself. And if you sign up to all of that for a once-off investment, you will come out of the other side smelling of roses. Because Leon and myself both lost our jobs. We were laid off. We were put on early retirement, they called it then. But because we decided we have to create our own employment, create our own income, we came across this program, and it's changed the way we look at the world. And it can change your world too, if you let it. But you have to take the first step. For those who've been sitting on the edge, you've been watching all the digital marketers, you've been watching all the online businesses, you're confused, that's okay, because we have regular live and interactive information sessions. And to crown it all, we've got a Black Friday special running at the moment. So instead of paying $29 for your website, we are going to pay that for you. We will sponsor that for you. So if you're interested, put ready in the comments, and we'd love to share information with you. And come to one of our live and interactive sessions. You can ask all your questions you want to, and they will be answered. But take that first step. The life you want is perfectly within reach. You just have to grab it.